with Baba.
Baba,
No problem.
what? Huh? You are
Huh?
driving car. How can I talk? You are driving car.
I will listen. I like to listen.
What, Baba? Tell me something.
You tell me which day you have color day. What you have to put on that day?
Red.
Red?
Everything we have to get red.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
Baba, when we first came in UKG, and then I saw balloons there.
Hmm?
And then I saw balloons there in all nursery UK, in all nurseries and LKGs. Huh? In all nurseries I saw balloons.
Really?
Yes, when we go on UKG.
There you saw balloons.
Yes, everyone birthday was there. Nursery, UKG, orange. Huh?
Hmm?
Yes. In UKG not was party. In UKG not was birthday anyways. Huh?
Really?
Yes. Baba, you remember when you remember we'll go on bus and win at the same time?
Really?
Huh? Some of my friends will go on van, and some will go on bus, huh? And then I'll also go on bus. I'll also go on bus.
I'm going bus.
Yes.
Okay, what you did yesterday in school?
Huh?
What you did yesterday in school? Yesterday, what you did?
Yesterday
Yes,
we
in
did.
class. What?
Huh?
What you did in class yesterday?
Yesterday I wrote good.
Really?
Very much good.
Really?
And I got too many happy smiles.
Really?
Yes, 2 happy smiles and one star on copy,
Yes.
and 2 smiles on 2 copies.
Really? Who gave you that?
Ma'am,
Okay,
I wrote very good. Huh?
that's good.
But 2 is, but 5 was not. But 5 was a little wrong.
Okay, no problem. We will.
It's not. But today I'll get again stars.
Really?
Smiles. Yes.
Baba will be happy then. Mama will also happy.